Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best Amfilm iPhone 14 Pro Max screen protector is probably one of the most essential accessories you can buy for your new device, offering unparalleled protection against scratches, cracks, and everyday wear and tear, ensuring your pristine display remains flawless and maintaining the resale value of your expensive smartphone. Number 5. Amfilm Easiest Installation OneTouch iPhone 14 Pro Screen Protector. This screen protector is designed exclusively for the iPhone 14 Pro 6.1-inch model. It offers a perfect fit, ensuring compatibility only with your device. Say goodbye to installation headaches. Our innovative auto-alignment technology allows for a quick and easy setup in just 30 seconds. It's designed for a hassle-free experience. Crafted with Ultra 9H hardness tempered glass, it provides superior defense against scratches and impacts. Keep your device safe from everyday wear and tear. Enjoy a cleaner screen with our anti-fingerprint coating. It effectively repels oils and sweat, preventing smudges and maintaining a crystal clear view. Experience ultra-clear visuals and exceptional touch sensitivity. It ensures smooth swiping, tapping, and gaming without any lag or delay. What we like. This screen protector offers an incredibly easy, auto-alignment installation process that takes only 30 seconds. It's designed to be bubble-free and case-friendly, ensuring a perfect fit every time. If you're looking for a quick and hassle-free way to protect your phone's screen with a clean, fingerprint-resistant finish, this is the one for you. What people say. The installation process was incredibly easy and stress-free. The auto-alignment tool worked perfectly and lined everything up in seconds without any guesswork. The screen protector went on completely bubble-free, which honestly impressed me the most. The 9H tempered glass feels very strong and provides excellent protection against scratches and daily wear. Touch sensitivity remains flawless, and my phone responds just as smoothly as without a protector. Number 4. Amfilm Glass Screen Protector for iPhone 13 Pro Max. Introducing our revolutionary screen protector for your iPhone 13 Pro Max. Our patented auto-alignment technology ensures a perfect installation in under 60 seconds, making it incredibly easy to apply. This protector is specially designed to fit your iPhone 13 Pro Max 6.7-inch model perfectly. It is not compatible with any other iPhone models, ensuring a precise fit. Get everything you need in our 2+2 pack. It includes screen protectors, camera lens protectors, and an auto-alignment tool for a hassle-free setup. Crafted from premium 0.33mm tempered glass, it offers full coverage, superior scratch resistance, and reliable drop protection for both your screen and camera. Enjoy an ultra-clear, high-definition viewing experience with 99.9% transparency. The oleophobic coating effectively reduces fingerprints, keeping your device looking pristine. Our screen protector is designed to be case-friendly, ensuring it works seamlessly with most phone cases without lifting or peeling. What we like. This package not only includes a screen protector but also a camera lens protector for comprehensive device protection. Its patented auto-alignment technology makes installation a breeze, fitting perfectly in about 60 seconds. If you want to protect both your screen and camera lenses with a single, easy-to-install solution, this bundle is an excellent choice. What people say. This one is so simple I did it myself, super freaking fast and it came out perfect and no bubbles. You cannot mess this up. The fit is also perfect, unlike some that may end up a little too skinny or short. The fact that it covers the entire screen makes me feel like my phone is better protected. It comes with everything you will need, from cleaning to applications to protect your phone's future. The applicator for this screen protector is not only budget-friendly but applied easily in under 5 minutes and left me so satisfied I wanted to do it again for fun. The applicator itself fits around the iPhone perfectly, leaving no room for mistake. Once you remove the film from the screen protector, you just firmly press down on the applicator tray and watch the magic happen as the glass screen protector falls perfectly onto your phone. Zero bubbles even needed to be worked or finagled out due to the dust stickers being so good. The auto-alignment grid made application incredibly easy, no bubbles, perfect alignment on the first try, and it took less than a minute. The glass quality is outstanding, super clear, highly responsive to touch, and it feels durable and premium. Packaging was secure and well organized too. What really sets this apart is the registered lifetime warranty. It includes a hassle-free one-time replacement if anything goes wrong. Number 3. UltraGlass UNBREAK Top 9H Plus Armor for iPhone 14 Pro Max. Experience the industry's first integration of sapphire ionic components. This screen protector offers unparalleled shatter resistance and durability, specifically designed for your iPhone 14 Pro Max. Crafted from top 9H Plus tempered glass, it provides superior shatterproof, scratch, and wear resistance. Its durability is significantly higher than other materials, creating a tough second screen for your device. This protector has undergone over 50 rigorous tests, including surviving 14,000 plus drops and 25,000 plus scratch tests. It ensures unbreakable protection from every angle, setting an industry record for resilience. It seamlessly envelopes your screen with a 3D curved edge, fully shielding the most vulnerable areas. The design is visually invisible, blending perfectly with your iPhone's display. Installation is now incredibly easy with automatic alignment, dust removal, and bubble-free technology. Achieve a perfect, expert-level application in seconds, every time. Join millions worldwide who trust our commitment to first-class quality. Your purchase is backed by a 365-day worry-free guarantee and dedicated 24/7 professional support. What we like. This screen protector boasts military-grade shatterproof capabilities and exceptional durability, tested to withstand thousands of drops and scratches. It features reinforced edge protection for comprehensive coverage. If your priority is the absolute toughest protection for your device and you frequently expose it to potential damage, this armor-like screen protector is designed for you. What people say. Easy to install and aligns perfectly with the iPhone 14 Pro Max. The screen protector is very clear and doesn't affect touch sensitivity. It provides excellent protection against scratches and minor drops. Number 2. ZAGG Glass Elite VisionGuard for iPhone 14 Pro Max. Protect your eyes with advanced eye-safe technology. It filters 40% of intense blue light without affecting color accuracy, so you can enjoy your screen as intended. Experience extreme protection for your device. Our Ion Matrix technology offers 5x shatter protection against drops and scratches, keeping your screen safe. Keep your screen looking pristine with our revolutionary ClearPrint surface treatment. It disperses oils from your fingertips, making smudges nearly invisible. Applying your new screen protector is simple and accurate every time. Our easy apply installation process ensures a seamless, bubble-free fit. Specifically crafted for your iPhone 14 Pro Max, this screen protector provides superior defense and clarity. Enjoy your phone's display without compromise. What we like. This protector offers advanced eye-safe technology to filter out harmful blue light without affecting screen color accuracy. It's also 5x stronger than standard protectors and features a revolutionary ClearPrint surface treatment to keep your screen smudge-free. If you spend long hours on your phone and are concerned about eye strain, or simply want superior protection and a clean screen, this is a great option. What people say. You will not think your phone has a screen protector on it, visually or tactically. It looks and feels like a naked phone screen. This product protected my phone screen after 2 epic drops, minimal damage to the screen protector. 0 damage to the screen. The glass has broken but not shattered and it has protected my screen every time. It's easy to put on, you can't really tell anything is on it, doesn't interfere with typing or talking, 10/10 recommend. Number 1. ZAGG XTR2 Screen Protector for iPhone 14 Pro Max. Experience unparalleled clarity with our new anti-reflective technology. It reduces glare and enhances color vibrancy, offering pro-level optics for your device. Our advanced Hexium impact technology provides superior defense. Its unique structure strengthens the surface, making it over 10% stronger than before. Enjoy uninterrupted, edge-to-edge protection that covers your entire screen. It's engineered for maximum touch sensitivity, perfect for gaming and everyday use. Achieve a perfect, dust-free installation every time with our revolutionary anti-dust adhesive and easy apply method. It's simple and effective. Designed to work seamlessly with your device's dynamic island. Enjoy full functionality without compromise. Our installation tray is made with 50% recycled materials, reflecting our commitment to sustainability. What we like. Experience enhanced screen clarity with its new anti-reflective technology, reducing glare and enriching colors. It also features Hexium impact technology for maximum shock absorption, making it ultra-strong. If you're a mobile gamer or a heavy user who demands the best visual experience and superior drop protection, this protector is engineered for you. What people say. Works, just saved my screen from 10-foot drop on concrete. Screen saver cracked but underlying screen good as new, making new order, beats a 400 screen repair. The installation was quick with the perfect fit kit, and it lined up perfectly with my screen. The glass feels smooth, very responsive to touch, and the clarity is excellent, colors look sharp and vibrant. I also appreciate the blue light protection since I spend a lot of time on my phone at night. It has literally saved the screen of my iPhone 16 Pro Max after a fall that could have been catastrophic. Thanks to its high-end tempered glass quality, no cracks, no marks, my screen remained impeccable. The installation is simple, the touch is fluid, and the image clarity remains perfect. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.